G'day! In today's video I've got a very simple video of unboxing an RTX 4020 12GB model. Now this one, I believe it comes directly from Nvidia. It doesn't actually need to be from any third-party company. We've got Nvidia, so assumably we're there. Do like the list of operating systems it has. And weirdly enough, system processor, I'm not seeing a power supply in the minimum requirements. Typically you see that on most. This one does not make any mention. PCI 16 slot, all the operating systems, an i5 or better, a Ryzen or EPYC, and preferably 12GB minimum system RAM, 24GB recommended. There's not much else there. Now why is this in such a plain box? Probably because this is used to generate or to do calculations, rendering. It's usually stuff that's probably going to involve some form of money making. It doesn't need to be pretty, it just needs to do its job perfectly fine. Thus I think they've gone with the relatively simple box here. Took a little bit to get out. And that was not the size of the graphics card I was expecting to see. I don't know why, but I thought it was going to be much larger. But this one is a baby. Look at the size of that. I'm actually quite gobsmacked by that. Looks like something you'd eat for breakfast. It is tiny. We have display. We're on a half height bracket. Yeah, I'm probably going to need a full size bracket actually. Let's have a look and see what's in the rest of the box. Put the card over on its lid. Pull this tab. What happens? We have a little drawer. Ah, it's a little stand. Now I see what's going on here. We're a bit like a pyramid. You can just sit comfortably on this. Funnily enough, they didn't even bother putting a little plastic bracket over that or any covers. No thrills. The only thrill you get is to pull the film off the graphics card before use, as it says over here. That's now sitting back in there. I'll put that off to the side, and I hope it doesn't leap out to us. Opening this one up, what do we see? We see a one full-size bracket. We see, I'm assuming, DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter. Yep, DisplayPort to DisplayPort. Model number here. We have a little quick start guide. Support guide. Don't know what they're going to be telling us what's what, but it's there anyway in many different languages. Crazy. Well, not so crazy. Put them back into there. I don't think there's going to be anything else in this box. I can consult the back of the box, which is holding the graphics card. Graphics card, attached bracket, unattached full height bracket, DisplayPort, quick start, support guide. That's all that's in the box for this particular one. Still find that crazy how little it is. Granted, it's not doing games, it's doing calculations. That's the unboxing of the Nvidia A2000 12GB model. Interesting. Bye.